Hello everyone, I am Dr. Harish Seneti. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. In fact, this is everything. I want you to focus and listen to this. Let's see how you utilize your time during your PG years, or in fact, actually UG years also, and time management for potential students. I mean to say, I am creating this video for those who feel they are students. The others who come here just for, without any purpose, like if they wanted to do BDS just for marriage or just because they have to get a degree, then I don't suggest this video for them. But those who feel that they are doing this course for some purpose, like they do BDS, then DDS or post graduation, like that, or if they are pursuing this as a career, then I think them as potential students and they should watch this video. Otherwise you can skip, right? So BDS is actually 4 years course. The fifth year, the internship, I don't count. It is a clinical year. People generally start reading for PG in clinical year, which I suggest as a wrong approach for dentistry or post graduation. So only these 4 years you have to study, 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 and study a lot. Internship is absolutely a clinical year. I'll come to that point. But you should find purpose. What do you want to do? Okay, in BDS, do you want to stop just after BDS, or do you want to proceed and do DDS or some other extra courses, or you want to do post graduation, or you just want to get married and open up your clinic with your husband? So whatever you decide, so you should find a purpose for it, then work towards it, then participate. I think you should participate in everything when you are in BDS, in your cultural activities, in your academics, in your education, interacting with your staff. I think you should have maximum participation, because BDS 4 years, it is not that you will go back after 10 years of life when your alumni meet, you will remember those memories. No, that's all nonsense. What I'm trying to tell you here is participate in everything, because there is a learning in everything. You will shape your personality if you participate in everything. So participate in cultural, participate in sports, participate in all the debates or quiz competitions that are happening, or participate in some article writing, or participate in whatever form. I want you to participate more when you are in BDS. If you participate more, you will know what you are actually in love with. You will understand what you are actually liking. Are you liking the subject, or are you liking the skill, or are you really interested in talking to patients, or what do you like? Okay, that will be exposed if you are participating in everything. Then whenever you are reading, make notes and store them. This is very important while you are in the 4 years of BDS. Remember this, make notes and store them. Definitely store them, they are going to be useful for your lifetime. So whatever you are reading, even a one page, even a short answer, even a lengthy answer, long answer also, store them. Make notes and store them. The other very important rule, what I suggest, is 1 by 7 and 4 by 24 rule. That is, one day of the week, that is, in 7 days, you spend one day for complete studying. That day, you will not do anything else. You will study, study, study. No TV, no clinical work, no lab work. One day is exclusive for you to study. The other 4 by 24 rule is 4 hours in that one day. Okay, you have to spend on making notes. 4 hours of that entire 24 hours, one day 24 hours time, 4 hours you will spend time to make notes. Okay, those are called cheats or chits or notes. Okay, if you can follow this rule, 1 by 7 and 4 by 24 rule, you will definitely master in any subject you choose. Okay, 1 by 7 and 4 by 24 rule. Then use every opportunity to get marks. That is, I see students saying this girl, she tries to impress staff, that's why she get good marks. Or this boy, he overacts in front of staff and get good marks. Ye butter lagate hai, they maska doctors, they maska the staff and all. I think that's a very good habit. Do everything to get marks. I'll tell you why. You have to maska your patients also. You have to maska in your practice also. You have to have knowledge in your practice also. Use every opportunity to get marks. Okay, if you are getting marks by impressing your staff, get marks by impressing your staff. I see students telling this girl, tries to, butter the staff. That's why she get good marks. She overacts in front of staff. That's why she get good marks. Or that boy, he tries to impress the staff. That's why he get good marks. I think that is true. You should do everything to get good marks. You should have knowledge. You should have subject. At the same time, you should have those tactics to impress the staff and get good marks. Okay, so all that is part and parcel of your studies. um, you know I don't think any staff in this universe will ever give anyone marks just because they are talking nicely or they are impressive. I think they will see the subject. At the same time, how they carry themselves also matters. So that's a part and parcel of this getting marks. So those who don't get marks, they give all these silly reasons of just because. So those who don't get marks, they give this reason because they masca the staff. That's why they're getting marks. No, it is not like that. Use every opportunity. If that is a cultural program, you have to impress it. If they are doing some academic program and you have to impress. Okay, that's very very important to get marks. Why do you have to get marks? Marks will not give you your job opportunities later, but marks will give you boost in your confidence, and it will help you get everything whatever you want. Not job, everything what you want you can achieve if you are very confident and get marks. Okay, so marks are your first step. Get best marks, and you will see how confident you will walk out from the dental college. Then learn, not dentistry. Learn anything. Learn a new word from dental dictionary. Learn something related to dentistry. Read a magazine that is published by these lab people regarding dentistry. Google some word and learn. So you have to keep learning. Not only dentistry, as a person you have to grow. So you keep learning other than dentistry also. Okay, and then develop your specialty. Once you finish your BDS, if you come out and start your own practice, you should have your own specialty. So I suggest you to develop a talent for yourself, develop that skill for yourself, develop your specialty. Then internship is absolute clinical year. I want you to work like donkeys, learn as much as possible from the staff, do as many cases as possible, and work hard during your clinical year. Internship, it is not for relaxing, or because there are no exams during that year. I don't want you to relax. Clinical year and dentistry is all about clinical work. So your food is your internship, right? Do maximum number of cases in this. Then learn latest technology. All the BDS students who are coming out, I want you to master latest technology. The world is going to be 20 years later, the world is going to be something different, something great, and it is all technology driven. So I want you to focus on latest technologies, learn latest technologies, implement latest technologies, and see. How do we manage time in post graduation? All right, so thesis selection. I see students doing thesis selection just as a namesake, or just as to submit the thesis they will select the topic. Focus on thesis selection. Take some time. It should be useful for your lifetime. Remember this: your thesis, what you are spending time for 3 years, should be useful for your life. So if you have to learn something new, learn it. If you are you want to earn money in your lifetime, you select a thesis topic that will help you earn money. Suppose you want to do a PhD, select a thesis topic which will help you for your PhD. Suppose you want to do some welfare program, select a thesis topic that helps people. Like that, you should select the thesis based on some future goal. Okay, just for the finishing sake, don't select such thesis topics, right? This I want you to keep in mind. Next is work under tough bosses. People generally run away. This staff is bad, so I don't want to show the work to him. This doctor is bad, that he is always shouting, that's why I don't want to show to that staff. Do not do that. Do not run away from tough bosses. Learn from them. Don't cry. Learn from tough bosses. They will teach you life. Okay, if you can survive from a very tough boss for 3 years, I think you will learn so much in life. So do not run away from tough bosses. Tough bosses will teach you life along with your post graduation. So when you are at post graduation level, crying for small things, worrying about staff scolding you, these are all such silly things I don't understand. So do not give up during your PG. Your PG life should be tough. PG life, if it is tough, you will become fantastic doctors. Remember this. If you are under tough boss, you're going to be stronger, you're going to be successful. Remember this. All right, do not lose hope or do not become depressed. That's very important during working under tough bosses. Then the next thing is overall personality. Develop overall personality when you are in post graduation. Go to gym, exercise, learn public speaking, take an example of a lecturer or speaker and become like that. Inculcate their values. Okay, and when you are keeping values, when you are adapting values from different staff, different personalities, you become a new personality altogether. So overall personality have to be improved during your PG years. Then I always say this: what is your talent? What are you? Who are you after post graduation? Everyone will write examination and come out. Some may take 6 more months extra, but they will eventually come out and become MD. Yes, but what are you? What are you? How are you special? Learn that. That should be your tagline for post graduation. Postgraduate in this field, and I'm specialist in this. I have this talent, unique talent. So, what is your super talent? That you have to identify and improve. Then learn dentistry incomplete, in total. Learn about it. Suppose you are doing endodontics, people generally don't understand periodontics. They forget periodontics. Those who are doing orthodontics, they generally don't involve in surgery or endodontics. So I feel when you are doing post graduation in some subject, you should have a complete knowledge about dentistry. Okay, go to other departments, talk to them, learn what is happening with them, see how you can adapt into your life. Okay, learn dentistry in total. Post graduation does not mean you have to restrict yourself to one subject only. Okay, at least to contemplate a treatment plan, you have to learn dentistry in total. It is very funny. You can never separate dentistry as a single department. Dental tooth is always interconnected. You can never separate one department from other, because dentistry is complete, dentistry is total, and all departments PGs should know at least the basics about all other departments, right? So you should become a complete dentist when you are doing a post graduation. You should be specialized in that, but at the same time you should at least be able to contemplate a treatment plan, and at least you should learn everything about dentistry, right? Next is learn money. Money is the aspect which post graduation students don't learn. Money you have to learn money during your post graduation. How do you earn money? How do you make money? How do you make healthy money? How do you make a professional income through your post graduation? That's very important. Learn money, learn behavior. You should have you should develop that beautiful behavior. Once you are a post graduation, when you come out, have that you are young, you have that energy, You should create aura in yourself. Once you walk out of that dental college finishing post graduation, you should become a complete new person. All right, learn behavior, adapt behavior techniques from your staff, learn some good behaviors. Okay, see your staff, eliminate what all negative points that staff has, and learn good behavior. And you should learn management. You should really learn management. How do you manage different mentalities? How do you manage different people with different mindsets? So all that you should manage. You should learn management. All right, then spend 2 hours in learning, at least 2 hours you should spend learning something new in your post graduation. Okay, at least 2 hours, right? And visualization, you should be able to visualize yourself after 10 years. After you finish post graduation, 10 years will run away like anything. You will not even know what has happened. So you should have a clear picture of what you're going to become after 10 years. That should be your agenda. When you are postgraduate, I want you to remember this point is very important. Make a note and stick it on your wall, what you want to become after 10 years. You should have this clear in your mind. Okay, I teach generally an opal translucent yellow meditation for some students. This is beautiful technique. Okay, if you want, you can put it in the description. I will send you that link. Okay, it's an opal translucent yellow meditation. If you don't believe meditation and all, you can at least keep visualizing yourself and working towards it. All right, and I keep listening these days, and it is so funny and it is so dreadful. There is no smart work these days. People are confusing you with you should do smart work. There is no smart work. There is only hard work. If you work hard, you become smart. That's it. If you follow smart work and all, that is always a patchwork. Okay, smart work is always patchwork. You may be smart now, but someone else will outsmart you with their hard work. So always work hard, and smart work has lot of hard work in it. So hard work is the only way. Work hard, work 24/7. Your mind should be in your post graduation 24/7. Your mind should be towards making yourself a personality rather than just a postgraduate student. You should become a personality altogether. New personality has to come out, and you should become something new when you post graduate and come out. All right, hope this video helps you. If you still have any doubts, you please put it in the comment section. I am here to help you. This is not for some subscriptions, and this is not for some monetization money and all. I don't intend to do all this for that, but my purpose is to enlighten you. At least one student who is doing BDS or MDS would realize this and become a some new person. I'll be the happiest. Thank you so much for patient listening. I am Dr. Harish Seneti, MDS oral and maxillofacial surgeon.